merciful. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to everyone. Thank you, Dr. Chaudhary, for kind introduction. It's an honor to present my research work entitled is Feasibility of twice weekly brachytherapy in cervical cancer, because cervical cancer is the major health burden in our country, as the everyday is matters. Can we shorten the overall treatment time without compromising the dose and without compromising the efficacy and safety? Because in advanced cervical cancer, the management is concurrent chemoradiation, which cost about 5 weeks, and followed by high-dose brachytherapy weekly, 3 to 4 fraction, about 8 treatment total duration is about 8 weeks. May I invite you to reflect? Is it invite you, especially in our radiation colleague present here, is it feasible in our setting to complete the total full course of CCRT and brachytherapy within 8 weeks? Please raise your hands. But yes, in reality, it's quite challenging. So the rationale is the rationality is it is invited to delay in our delay the treatment time in chemoradiation. But in brachytherapy, if we structure the twice weekly in our setting, it could shorten the overall treatment time and deliver higher biologically effective dose. So my study's primary objective is to compare between acute toxicity and overall treatment time, and the secondary objective is to compare between the OAR dose according to the JCASTO guidelines and short-term response evaluation. So this is a pilot study, prospective in 2 arms, sitting in tertiary level hospital over 14th period of time in 60 women from stage 2B to 4A. Treatment to after completing conformal chemoradiation, it was divided into arm A. This normally we use 7 grade 3 fraction, and the treatment arm is brachytherapy 6 grade 4 fraction twice weekly. We use the dosimetric parameter above the JCASTO guideline, and the evaluation by clinical and radiologically at 6 weeks, and clinically at 6 and 12 weeks, and radiologically at 12 weeks, and toxicity parameter after during EBRT and brachytherapy. So now this is the result. This slide shows both arms equal median age, stage, and the histology with balancing the cohort. And now the toxicity outcome. In acute toxicity like genitourinary and genitourinary, most of the patients have shown the grade 1 to grade 2 toxicity, which are equally manageable. In some patients, the patient have grade 3 toxicity, which are equally managed by conservative treatment. In genitourinary toxicity, most of the patients are mild genitourinary, that is cystitis, mild proctitis in both arms, which is statistically insignificant. In hematological arm, in group, they are managed acute anemia, neutropenia, and arm B, there is some patient who have a slight grade 3 toxicity, but it is rather due to the chemotherapy regimen rather than structuring the brachytherapy schedule. In the beginning of the study, one of my colleagues asked, what about the vaginal mucosa? It is really feasible to insert the biweekly regimen. Surprisingly, I didn't find any difference in weekly and 2 weekly arm. So the response outcome after the 12 weeks, in arm A it is to 52% and arm B it is 68%, which is correlated with shorter treatment of time and higher BED. In according to in overall in case of organ at risk presentation, there is no significant difference in arm A and arm B. In both arm it is not statistically significant. In this lower graph, it's showing that arm B has a higher BD and EQD2, which control potentially the increased integral dose of the tumor. Yes, we have some limitation in that is the modest sample size, shorter follow-up time, and the lack of shorter follow-up time and single institutional scope. Finally, the twice weekly brachytherapy is maintains safety, integral dose of the tumor and shortened treatment time in less than 56 days, compromising the early response improvement and without similar toxicity. So recommendation is the practical for low resource setting to enhance outcome, introduce a randomized trial and integrate and a long-term control for late toxicity assessment. My heartfelt gratitude to all the mentors and who helped in this study. And before concluding my presentation, I want to re-emphasize the total duration of time in cervical cancer management due to every time saves the life, every day saves the lives. By reconstructing the brachytherapy schedule, we can save almost 2 weeks and can give the patient a better chance in cure. As a young oncologist, let us lead with innovation to innovate the idea which fit our reality and give our patient a better cure. Thank you for patient hearing and welcome to any questions.